stealth features, state-of-the-art electronic systems, and the ability to share combat data seamlessly. The F-35C is considered the trump card, enabling carrier strike groups to attack heavily defended areas. Alongside it, the F/A-18EF Super Hornet continues to serve as the backbone of U.S. naval aviation. Though lacking stealth, the Super Hornet is valued for its multi-role capability, high reliability, and adaptability to diverse combat scenarios. Supporting them is the EA-18G Growler, a specialized electronic warfare variant tasked with radar jamming, suppressing enemy air defenses, and shielding the entire fleet as it penetrates deep into hostile airspace, ensuring early warning and logistics capability. To maintain air superiority, Kennedy will operate the E-2D Hawkeye, an airborne command and control aircraft with a powerful AESA radar, capable of tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously and providing data for the entire fleet. In the logistics and resupply role, the U.S. Navy is transitioning from the C-2 Greyhound to the CMV-22B Osprey, offering more flexible transport capability and enhancing resupply effectiveness under diverse combat conditions. For anti-submarine warfare and maritime patrol, the MH-60R/S Seahawk continues to prove its versatility and effectiveness in missions ranging from anti-submarine hunting, search and rescue, to naval combat support. The most remarkable highlight is that Kennedy will be among the first carriers designed to operate the MQ-25 Stingray, an aerial refueling UAV. This is considered a game-changer, as it significantly extends the combat radius of the F-35C and Super Hornet, which are often limited by fuel capacity. With the MQ-25, carrier strike squadrons can operate hundreds of kilometers further, expanding their control area and boosting the strategic strike capabilities of the entire carrier group. Beyond that, Kennedy could also serve as a platform for testing and deploying new combat UAVs, continuing projects like the X-47B, which had been previously tested. Weapons and defense of USS John F. Kennedy. A supercarrier is not only a platform to deploy squadrons, but also a top strategic target in any conflict. Therefore, Kennedy's defense is designed to be multi-layered, countering threats from hypersonic ballistic missiles to low-cost suicide UAVs. In the outermost protective ring, Kennedy is equipped with Evolution Spiral missiles with 2 launchers, capable of intercepting high-speed cruise missiles and enemy aircraft at medium range. Closer in is the Rolling Airframe Missile, RAM, with 2 launchers, specialized in handling close-in threats with lightning-fast reaction. If a threat penetrates both outer layers, the final line of defense is the Phalanx CIWS, a 6-barrel Gatling gun capable of firing thousands of rounds per minute, creating a steel shield to destroy missiles or UAVs at short range. In addition, Kennedy is armed with 4 Mk-38 25mm cannons and 4 M2 Browning .50 caliber heavy machine guns designed to counter fast attack boats, small targets, or mini UAVs. Thanks to this combination, the ship possesses a layered shield from long range to close in, protecting not only itself, but the entire air wing on board. The technological highlight lies in the integration of directed energy weapons, notably the Helios laser system developed by Lockheed Martin. In recent tests, Helios demonstrated its ability to shoot down UAVs and neutralize rockets, opening a new path for fleet defense. The strength of lasers is their extremely low cost per shot, capable of firing continuously as long as there is sufficient power. With abundant energy from the 2A-1B reactors, Kennedy can fully operate high-intensity laser systems, something previous carrier classes could not achieve. 6th-generation aircraft and the future of Kennedy. As early as the 1990s, the U.S. began researching technologies for the next generation of fighter aircraft, laying the foundation for the NGAD program. By 2007, the program was officially launched, and to date it has achieved significant milestones. A full-scale prototype has already been built and flight tested, showing that the U.S. is getting closer to real deployment. The sixth-generation fighter is expected to surpass the F-35C Lightning II in many aspects. More advanced stealth capability, stronger sensors, integration